This sounds hungry. What the hell are you? Klein Fräulein, I cannot see you. I see Dalton. Oh, hello. Wait, is that my guy? What is that? Did I shoot you? Oh, no, that's not mine. You're not friendly. How can I do this?
Two puny little boys. They sit together like gay fags. I puny like Rooney.
Hey, who's the one holding the rods?
You're gay.
Duck and cover. Hello there, whoever's shooting at me. How are you today? Would you like a mouthful of these? My support! Go away! Go away! Stand up through there. See you whisper. Whisper. Whisper with the Vesper. Dalton. Alright, I think I'm falling out of here. I'm kind of stuck. I'll run that way. Whisper, you're about to get shot. I swear to God. Oh, boy. You make me hungry.
Basically, shotguns only.
I hate these holly bushes. Blew my shot off. Probably my last shot here for reloading. Seems moving left. To the castle! Didn't even say hit. Oh. Got eyes on Erico. I don't think so. Bloody hell, sun is in my...
See this guy right here? He likes bitches. You know what he likes most about bitches? Covered in barbecue sauce. Fat bitches is bad. Fat bitches barbecue sauce is a plus for this motherfucker. He likes it rough on the weekend. And he likes to take it up the ass. Coolio, bro. Got him. What's up with people not calling hit? Holy shit!